This is M ASMR, and today we're going to be doing another color test video using some charts and a pointer. So let's just get right into it. I am going to point to some patterns, and I want you to tell me what color you see. Okay. This one again. Yellow, yes. Green, Purple, yeah. Red, yellow again. Orange, blue. Very, very good. What shape is this? This, yeah. And what's the difference between this one and this one? This one's an oval. Very good. What shape is this? And how is it different from this one? Or how is this one different from this one? This one's a square, this one's a rectangle. Very good. And this one? Triangle. What about this one? Six. Yes, very good. And what shape here reminds you the most of a stop sign? This one, excellent. And what color reminds you of a stop sign? Red. Very good. Okay, had no trouble with that chart. So let's move on to this one. Now once again, I'm just going to point to some of the colors, some of the figures rather, and I want you to tell me what color you see. Excellent. Can you see the difference between this color and this color? And which one's lighter? Very good. So what color is this? It's orange, yes. This one? It's red, yep. What color is this? Blue, yellow, green. Excellent. Excellent. What shape is this? It's a square, yes. What shape is this? Triangle. And this one? A diamond shape. Very good. Okay, you had no problem with that one either. Let's go on to this one. So I'm just going to point and you tell me the color. Green, yep. Blue, yep. Pink, okay. Red, brown, yellow, orange. Can you tell the difference between this color and this color? Yep. Which one's darker? Very good. Now what I want you to do for me here is just see how good your eyes are. So let's just read along certain lines. So I'm just going to point, and I want you to tell me the color and the shape of each figure that I point to. So if I point to this one, you're going to say green circle. Okay, and just do that across the board. So I'm going to point to each one, and you will tell me what it is. Very good. So we'll have blue squares and green circles. This row was all pink triangles and a blue rectangle. Very good. Let's go on to line 3. So this one was all red hearts and orange stars and a white star. And let's see if you can do this final line for me. It's all brown circles, and then this yellow figure and this white figure. And as funny as this sounds, I'm not really sure what this shape is called. It's 5-sided, so it's not quite a square, but I don't know what you call this. If somebody does, please tell me in the comments. I should have Googled that before I started the video, but it's too late at night now. Okay, so because you've been doing so well on all these charts, I'm going to go ahead and lay out 2 smaller charts in front of you. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to point to these figures and I want you to tell me the colors, okay? So just going to do this completely randomly among the 2 charts. So just the color. Yes, green. Blue, yup. Yellow, yes. Green, Blue, that's right. Red, that's right. White, yep. Purple, Can you see the difference between this color and this color? Which one's darker? This one, very good. What color is this? Yeah, it's like an orangey red, so it's a red orange, so I'll accept both answers. Yellow, yep. White again. Like a yellow, like an orange more than a yellow. Yeah, this is way more orange than this, isn't it? So we'll say this is orange, this is yellow. This here? It's blue. Can you see the difference between this blue and this blue? And which one's lighter? And is this blue the same, lighter, or darker than this blue? It's the same, yes. And is this yellow the same, lighter, or darker than this color? It's lighter, yes. This is a yellow. This is more of an orange. And is this green the same, darker, or lighter than this green? Yes, this one's darker. Very good. And is this red darker, lighter, or the same as this red? Yes, it's a little darker. It's a little brighter, actually, a little bit more vibrant. Very good. Now, you had no problem with this, but I'm just going to now point to a couple of shapes, and I just want you to tell me what these shapes are. A circle, yes. A triangle. A star, yep. A square, yes. The sun, yes. A heart. And another circle. Very good. I'm just going to take this one away. And now for this one, as a preparation for our next test, I just want you to read a couple of lines for me, okay? I'm just going to read random lines, not all the same, and just tell me the color and the shape on each line, okay? Very good. So here we have all red squares, white square, a green triangle, and a white triangle. So all squares and triangles in either red, white, or green. Very good. How about reading this line for me? Yep, and that line is all circles in either blue, yellow, or white. Very good. Let's do one more. Let's do the bottom one here. You just read these off for me. These are all squares in the colors blue, yellow, red, and white. Very good. You had no trouble with that one. So now we're going to do something a little bit different. What we're going to do here is take this, the camera up a little bit. Now, patterns worksheet, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the patterns and we're going to read certain lines, and then from reading the line, we are going to try to figure out the next color. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and each line features a different shape. So every line has the same shape, but every line is different from the line below it. So for example, or above it. So for here, we have all circles. Here, what is the shape? The stars. And what's the shape? Triangles, yeah. And this one? Yes, it's squares. And yep, these are hearts. So, oops, put these up a little bit. So we have circles, stars, triangles, squares, and hearts. And they're all different colors. So let's read them line by line and try to figure out what the next color should be in each pattern. So let's start with the first line here. So, blue circle, yellow circle, blue circle, yellow circle, blue circle. What should come next? Yes, a yellow circle. And now let's move on to the second line. So what do you think for this one? Yes, I agree. There should be a green star because then you have red star, green star, red star, green star, red star, green star. That reminds me of Christmas. And anything that reminds me of Christmas is good. So let's do the third line here. What do you have here? So what do you think for this one? It is a little trickier. We have yellow triangle, purple triangle, red rectangle. What am I saying? Red triangle. So we have yellow triangle, purple triangle, red triangle, purple triangle, yellow triangle. And what would be here? A red triangle. Yes. Because we have 3 colors in the pattern. Now down here we have what? A square. And let's just go through this one. So what would go here? What color? Well, I think that would make sense. Because then we would have orange triangle, green, what am I saying? I'm tired. Orange square, green square, green square, orange square, green square, and green square. Because for every one orange triangle, orange square, we have 2 green squares. For some reason, my eye keeps traveling up to this one right here, which is a yellow triangle. And even though I'm looking at these and thinking, like, I can see that they're squares, for some reason I keep saying triangle, because for some reason I keep looking up at this one, because it's really bright, bold, gorgeous yellow. So, orange square, green square, green square, orange square, green square, and this would also be a green square. So let's do the final one. Okay, so now we have hearts here. Let's go through these. We have a red heart, a purple heart, a yellow heart, a red heart, a purple heart, and what would be here? Yes, a yellow heart, because you have 3 colors that go along in a line. So you would have red heart, purple heart, yellow heart, red heart, purple heart, and yellow heart. Very good. So of these 3 blank white ones, these 5 blank white ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks. And some of them come from lines with 2 colors, and some come from lines with 3 colors. And of these missing pieces, they should be a yellow circle, a green star, a red triangle, a green square, and a yellow heart. So that's how they should be filled in. So very good. Now I'm just going to do something kind of random. Now, can you read these letters, or these words rather? Tic-tac-toe. Very good. And up here, are these letters the same or different? The same, yes. Can you read this letter? So it's an E. This one up here? Yep, it's a T. Here. C. Very good. Okay. So here I'm just going to start randomly pointing out some of these figures to you. And all I want you to do here is tell me the color. We're not even going to get into the shape here. I just want you to tell me the color. Yes, excellent. Okay. And now we'll go along together. So, yellow, yep. Black, blue, yes. Pink, absolutely. Yellow, orange, red, green, green again, orange, red, black, yellow, black again, yellow, and purple. Excellent. Okay. And can you tell me what the border colors are? 1, 2, 3. So first border color, orange. Yep. Second one, yellow, yes. Third one, green. Very good. And how about this line? 1, 2, 3. What are the border colors? Red, yep. Orange, yes. Yellow, very good. And what is this big border color here? Orange, very good. And is it a solid orange, or do you see another shade in it? Yes, there's a stripe shade here. So it's dark orange, light orange, dark orange, light orange, dark orange, light orange, dark orange, light orange, dark orange, light orange. And can you see if these light orange lines are thicker or thinner than the dark orange? They're thinner, yes. Very good. So as usual, you did not have any trouble with the shapes and the colors and being able to identify them. So let's do one last test. And this is an oldie but a goodie. I know you've seen this before. But what we have here is a lovely white cloud-shaped piece of paper. And on this piece of paper, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words that all symbolize different colors. And what's interesting is that even though all of these words symbolize a color, all of these words are also colored or written in a different color, but the color they're written in is not the color that they represent. So, what I'm going to do, first and foremost, this is sort of a brain teaser. And when I'm tired late at night, this always catches me and confuses me. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to point to each of these words, random, and I want you to tell me what the word says. Not the color of ink it is written in, just what the word says, okay? Let's begin. Green, yes. Yellow, excellent. Black, very good. Red. Orange, wonderful. White, and this one. Purple, very good. What was this one again? Yellow, and this one again? Red, excellent. So now we're going to point to the same exact words, and I want you to tell me what color they're written in, okay? Not the color that the word reads, just what color the ink that the word is written in is, okay? So this one, black, very good. And this one, purple, excellent. Green, very good. It's pink. This is blue. What's this one? Orange, excellent. This one. Red, okay. What's this one again? It's green, yep. This one again? Black, yep. This is orange. Very, very good. Now, finally, we are going to do something a little bit different, something that I did not do in my last time that I took this test, that I gave this test to you. What we're going to do now is I am going to point to a certain word. And when I point to the word, like for example, what is this word here? Green, okay. Now when I point to the word, I want you to then tell me which of the other words is written in the color that this word represents. So for instance, this word here is green, right? So if this word is green, where is the actual color green on this paper? Yes, here with yellow. So the green is written in what color? Red. Yes. So the green is written in red. But green is this color here, which reads yellow. So I know it's very confusing, but I'm just going to point to the different words on the paper, and I want you to tell me when I point to a word like green, I then want you to show me where the green color is on the paper. Okay? Let's begin. So what does this word say? Blue. And where is the blue? Excellent. And this here. This word says black. Where is the black? Excellent. And this word here, it says purple. Where is the purple? Very good. And this word here says yellow. Where is the yellow? Excellent. And this word here, it says blue, right? Let's go over this one again. Where is the blue? Under red. Excellent. And where is the red? Here. Very good. Masking is green. Now, this one says purple. Here's the purple. Now this one says orange. So where's the orange? Here. Very good. Now, this color, this word says white. So where's the white? All around. Very good. Now I have a trick question. Look at the paper. Look at all the words on the paper. Now, tell me, of all the words on the paper, which color is missing representation? Look at the words and look at the colors and let me know which one is missing. We are missing a word. So which of these colors does not have a word to represent it? This one. Because what color is this? It's pink. And yet if you look, there's no pink on the paper. Now is there? We have green masking as red, white masking as black, yellow masking as green, purple masking as yellow, blue masking as orange, orange masking as purple, red masking as blue, and black masking as pink. But pink isn't masking as anything because pink simply isn't here. Or if you wanted to be creative, maybe pink is just hiding, blending into the background. Because maybe if pink was present, it would mask itself as white and therefore be invisible. A little silly thought. Well, you did fantastic on the color test and the eye exam as usual. And I think we have covered a lot of ground with this series, so I think the next video I do will have to be something a little different, because obviously you have no problem with your eyesight at all. So thank you for watching my channel, and please check back soon for more relaxing videos. Good night.